Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to copy the effect that somebody used in their TikTok video and also how to get the effect. First, we'll open the app, and right above their username there, you can see the effect that he's using. At the moment, it's called Shake. You would select that and you can add it to favorite, or you can simply press the camera icon and then record your video, and you will be able to use that effect during the video. And it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.